I don't feel like getting up, but I guess today should be a good day. My first step of my routine should be to just put on a really cute mask and like hop in the shower. Okay, so now I got to my skincare because it's healthy for the skin and I want my skin to really glow. So let's just get this out of the way. And you can really never forget the makeup, guys. Like, don't even try. Like, just a little blush and all you need. OMG, this is so good. It's so yummy. I cannot wait to eat this. This is so good. OMG, I am eating that every day. This is like I just went to Fantasy World, but it's time for me to go get some decorations from the store. So, yeah.